In this lesson, I'm going to talk about a set of usability guidelines which have been established almost 2 decades ago. They are known as the Heuristics evaluation. The Heuristics evaluation guidelines are commonly used as part of a software or website's requirements analysis toolkit, as it provides in sort of like a checklist fashion, identifying what works or what doesn't. The heuristics evaluation, developed in 1990, finally released in 1997, was designed by Jacob Nelson to cope with the bloom of software applications and websites in 1990s. And why was it particularly used in requirements analysis is that back in those days, websites were media that could mainly be produced by professional programmers, which means at the point of production, no one could really care about the usability and design of them. Jacob Nelson saw the potential of how a set of easy-to-use heuristics can guide web developers to create user-friendly websites, as opposed to interaction design principles, which is a framework used to design usable workflow and wireframes from scratch. Heuristics evaluation was used more to break down existing websites or applications, to analyze its requirements and see how it can be improved upon. However, since almost 2 decades have passed, the heuristics guidelines are also starting to prove to be irrelevant in today's digital context. While still largely competent as a usability guideline, we will walk through the guidelines and critique on areas that might not be serving our needs anymore. These are the 10 heuristics of usability evaluation that I was talking about, starting from the visibility of system status, match between system and real world, user control and freedom, consistency and standards, error prevention, recognition rather than recall, flexibility and efficiency of use, aesthetics and minimalist design, help users recognize, diagnose and recover from errors, and last but not least, help and documentation. As we go through the list, you will see its resemblance to interaction design principles. After all, the 5 interaction design principles are in fact the basis of usability frameworks, as what I've mentioned earlier. The heuristics are an explicit implementation of the design principles.